Jack of all trades and master of none, but seem to be getting a little bit of traction now in master pizza. My name's Ali and I'm the owner-manager here at Sunnyside Sliced, and this is my story. Pizza's always, as far as I can remember, always been in my life, because my parents started the pizza shop, or they were involved in the pizza shop in 1990 odd. Throughout primary school, we actually lived out the back of the pizza shop for a while, so all you would smell day and night is pizza. Pizza wasn't planned to be in my life right now, but it seems that pizza always finds a way. I started making pizza as a very young lad at my father's pizza shop, at my father's and mother's pizza shop. My mother's going to be very angry if I keep referring to it as my father's pizza shop, so it's the family shop. I started making pizza as soon as I could reach the pizza bar, really. You know, by the time I was 14, the family shop had gotten busier, and I assumed the role of the pizza maker there. And my dad used to make a joke, always call me Mr. Production Line, because I'd make sure it was like a production line so we could, you know, go through the orders and it was a smooth service. See, it just stopped ringing, but I swear the phone was ringing. People want the pizza, but actually maybe don't get it in because they didn't ring for that long. They don't really care about the pizza, right? How long do you have? How long do you have? You were 3 years. Well, Sunnyside's been in my life since 2017. So I met a girl in Sunnyside, actually. She lived in Sunnyside in Queens in New York, and I ended up marrying that girl. So we were going to start an establishment here in Melbourne because she happened to be a very, 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 very good cook. We found the site, long story short, we found the site for me to start working on, or for us to start working on, and for her to start operating out of. She was from Sunnyside. Sunnyside was a borough in Queens. So I said, let's call it Sunnyside Queens. But then of course the brand now lives as Sunnyside Sliced. Sliced, making reference to the fact that we sell pizza by the slice. My relationship ended in June of 2020. And June of 2020 was the same time at which Melbourne went into the longest lockdown in the world. I was stuck halfway in this project, and I've just lost my chef. I don't know what to do. I don't know where I'm going to go. I don't know who I'm going to call. So I was very, very close in June of 2020, July of 2020, to just walking away from this. Walking up and down the hallway, there was a photo of me and my dad out the front of Ali's Pizza. Ali's Pizza was our first pizza shop. And I'm like, dude, you really like New York pizza? Let's do a New York pizza. When I phoned Pete, I said, Pete, I've got the name, Sunnyside Sliced. What do you think? He goes, let me get back to you. The phone rang 24 hours later and Sunnyside Sliced was born. Come on. See, the phone's ringing again. They want the pizza, right? I should be open 7 days.